Hello friends, I am Ankita. Today I will talk about a plant where there is no leaf but does its photosynthesis process very well. I hope you have guessed. Yes, today we will discuss about cactus. We all know cactus is mostly found in desert or where the water resource is very limited. A cactus belongs to a plant family called cacti. The great majority of cacti who have no visible leaves, photosynthesis takes place in the stem. Yes, guys, stem. Even those cacti without visible photosynthetic leaves, small leaves, less than 0.5 mm, spines are the useful and important part of cactus as spine are modified leaves and thorns are modified branches. The spine of cacti are often useful in identification since they vary greatly between species in number, color, size, shape, and hardness. The most ground living cacti have only fine roots, which spread out around the base of the plant for varying distances close to the surface. Five types of cactus. The golden barrel cactus is a globe shaped type cacti suitable for growing in conservatories or any other type of indoor glass rooms. The stem can grow up to 60 inches tall and 36 inches wide in the wild, or where they are given conditions similar to the natural Mexican habitat. This stem is ribbed and produce prickly yellowish spine, and the crown of the cactus has white colored woolen hair at the top. The golden barrel cacti will produce yellow flower during midsummer. While handling, it is best to use gloves to protect your hand from the prickly spines. Ear cactus. So, bunny ear cactus originated in Mexico and is a denizen of arid desert like areas. Growing bunny ears cactus is as simple as mimicking its native regional condition. So, if you have a dry, low humidity home and plenty of sun exposure, bunny ear cactus plant might be the perfect plant for you. 50 species of cacti native to South America. Chin cactus are found in warm regions. Their main area of distribution is Argentina and part of Brazil. Most species are rather small, varying from 4 to 15 centimeters in size. In cultivation, they are popular for their easy flowering habits, and the flowers are generally brightly colored. Where the temperature fall between 10 degrees Celsius, they must be cultivated under glass with heat. Cactus plant comes in a variety of bloom colors. Usually they are in bloom at the time of purchase and are common holiday gifts. Flower tone range from white to red, orange, peach, lavender and pink. Even following its bloom, the plant has an interesting appeal in its unusual shape. The plant doesn't have the same spines as a desert cactus but a more undulating form with softer pointed nodes on the edge of the leaf. Hybridization has given us a host of beautiful and unusual plants to choose from when decorating our homes. The holiday plants, such as the Christmas and the Easter cactus, are the hybrids of the Brazilian forest cactus. Also called a leaf cactus. The leaves are broad and flat with smoother edges. Holiday cacti bloom around the season for which they are named. Therefore, it comes as no surprise that the Thanksgiving cactus blooms around November. The Thanksgiving cactus an easy to grow interior plant. Both Christmas and Thanksgiving cacti are native to the tropical forest of Brazil. They are attractive plants commonly sold and given as gift around the holidays. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share your comments and views. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel to get such informative videos. Thank you.